Welcome back with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen, giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, today we want to talk about the fake saltfish and all these things, and the fake food and the spoiled food which is going on at the moment in the kitchen, in the Caribbean restaurant. Don't make no one spoil your Christmas. This Christmas is supposed to be a lovely Christmas for everyone, celebrating, eating a lovely food. If you notice, when it comes up to Christmas, them always try to put in out a lot of fake things and a lot of spoiled things for take on the money. So please guys, be careful where you get your stuff, where you buy your stuff, and where you're going to get your things for this Christmas. Do not and also subscribe to the YouTube channel and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Remember, the Caribbean spoiled food, again, they let us down. We're not into that. And also the saltfish, we're not into that. We are gonna stick to the original thing. So guys, remember, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. One love again from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. This is what happened. I want you to sit down and watch this video. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright guys, anyway, big letdown again with the Caribbean food, and was a big shock to Chef Ricardo and the team. You know, I represent for Jamaica the Caribbean food, the food we love, fried dumpling, hockey and saltfish and all these things. Letdown with the saltfish again. So guys, I want to say to you, please just be careful where you go and buy your stuff, buy your food, what you put into your stomach. Now, if you watch this video, you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about with this video. Alright guys, anyway, a friend of mine sent me the video and I was watching the video, and he said to me, Chef Ricardo, it's a big letdown again with the Caribbean food, because there's no way a man can go to a shop, spending money, buy the food, and when he go home, is this he's gonna see worm coming out of fried dumpling. It can happen, because if you have your food, if you have these things
look at this,
for a couple of days well, and then that's selling,
in a fresh dumpling,
especially if you're in a place to keep warm.
Maggots, where's the maggots here?
Things do happen, alright?
Look at the maggot, look at the maggot in the dumpling.
If you watch the video, you will see exactly what we're talking about.
Wait,
look
at the maggot.
So please guys, just be careful.
See the maggot there? In the dumpling.
You put into your stomach, where you work so hard for your money,
the nastiness,
and go and buy things. Alright?
Going back, look, the inside of the fucking
if a shop doesn't have 5-star, you know what I mean, it's a big letdown right now. So you have to just be careful where you go, get your things, buy your shopping, buy food, because even the saltfish, they say that saltfish is not saltfish, is simiac. So guys, right now you have to be careful. You have to just be careful. We're using the word just be careful where you go and buy your shopping, buy your food, buy things we carry home, where you work so hard, and when you come home, is this you're gonna see. Alright guys, so please, you know what I mean, because what happened nowadays, there's too much fake things out there, too much fake things. Alright, them talking about they want the cheap one, they want the expensive one. So only thing I have to say to you, if you go out there, you're gonna buy things. Alright guys, just be careful where you buy your stuff, where you buy your food and all these things. There's a lot of things out there that doesn't real. They look real, but they are fake. Alright guys, so please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And the Caribbean food, right now most of these shop, yeah, need to you know what I mean, need to sort out themselves. Because sometimes if you as a chef, if you have food put down in your house, even if you're at your house and you put down food in the kitchen for 2 or 3 days without put away properly, safely, yeah, what's gonna happen? Bacteria start to grow and all these things. So we have to be careful where you store your food, where you put on your food, even in your own house. You have to be careful guys. Look after yourself. You know what I mean? your health come first. You have to look after yourself. Anyway, I represent for Jamaican food, and you know that Chef Ricardo not letting down Jamaican food. We still love our food, but anyone who doing these things, we will find them, all right, and we will tell them that is not a part of Jamaican thing, because Jamaican food is the best upon the planet. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please stay tuned. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Anyone who doing that need to stop it immediately. We're not into that with the Jamaican fried dumpling, hockey and saltfish, and all these things. Yeah, we're not into that. All right, guys. So stay tuned, and remember, if you're at your house, please put away your food decent also. Don't just left out the food and, you know what I mean, put away your food. Food must store away very carefully. Yeah, cool on your food, and when you cool on your food, you put it in the fridge and lock it away decently. That's how you store away your food, guys. Anyway, stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and remember, get the latest update from Chef Ricardo. We've got a lot more stuff coming out, a lot more things. There is so many things going on. Christmas is coming up and all these things. You know what I mean? A lot of things is happening at the moment. But stay tuned. Stay tuned. And remember, be careful where you get your stuff from Chef Ricardo.